The data that we collect for cloud migration can be used for other use cases. We collect actually a lot of raw low-level data around data flows between the software components, and that's actually how our tooling groups together the components into unique business services. But those data flow data we can use to help create the firewall rules. So these are the communication flows directly between the software components within the business application. So they can be used to define the firewall rules to really make the next environment a lot more secure. They can be used to understand the complexities around compliance, so whether the data flows have been encrypted, so we can collect the information to see whether the data is encrypted, see whether there's any risks around open data flows. Or even sort of to work out the user community, so we can see who's actually using a business application. All this data can be used for general service management use, for security uses, and even try to understand, to build sort of a DR environments, understanding what the environment looks like, to recreate in a disaster recovery scenario, what components you need to create. So in summary, the data that we collect for use for cloud migration, or the data that any organization needs to collect to understand their cloud migration, will also be used for a lot of the use cases, as I said before, around security, around service management, around disaster recovery.